What is happening, tech fans? The pace of innovation never slows, and here at Microsoft Sphere, we're your front row seat to the absolute latest. We've got breaking news that's going to reshape your digital world, from the core of AI development to the everyday tools you rely on. Get ready for a rapid-fire update that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. First up, we're diving deep into Microsoft's groundbreaking work in artificial intelligence. They've just launched public testing for their very first in-house developed foundation model. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a significant leap forward, potentially shifting the landscape of AI development and integration into products we use daily. What does this mean for the future of AI and how we interact with it? Then, we're shifting gears to a change coming to Windows 11 that will impact how some of you connect your devices. Microsoft is retiring a specific app, streamlining the process for mobile data connectivity. We'll break down exactly what this means for users and why this change is being made. Next, we're looking at a serious development on the human side of the tech giant. Reports are surfacing about significant personnel actions following on-campus protests. We'll explore the details of these departures and the context surrounding them. And finally, we're addressing a crucial update for millions of Windows users facing a critical deadline. With an older operating system reaching its end of life, Microsoft is confirming a free update offer. We'll detail who this applies to and how you can secure your system. Stay locked in, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get into it. Microsoft forges ahead. First in-house foundation model enters public testing. This marks a pivotal moment in artificial intelligence development for the tech giant. Microsoft AI, or MAI, has officially kicked off public testing for MAI 1 Preview, its very first foundation model trained entirely in-house. This significant development was announced in a recent blog post detailing the model's debut on LM Arena, a platform dedicated to community-driven model evaluation. The company highlighted that this launch provides a crucial glimpse into the future capabilities that will be integrated into their popular Copilot assistant, emphasizing their commitment to continuously improving their AI offerings through a rapid development cycle. MAI 1 Preview is engineered with consumers in mind, focusing on its ability to understand and execute instructions, as well as provide answers to common, everyday queries. Its integration into Copilot for various text-based use cases is anticipated in the coming weeks, promising a more intuitive and responsive user experience. Microsoft has reiterated its strategy of leveraging a diverse range of AI models, including those from their own teams, strategic partners, and the open-source community, to power their expansive product ecosystem. This multifaceted approach ensures flexibility and the delivery of optimal performance across millions of daily user interactions. The development of MAI 1 Preview is particularly noteworthy given Microsoft's substantial investment in OpenAI, exceeding $13 billion. While OpenAI's models have primarily powered Microsoft's AI features across products like Bing, Windows 11, and other services, the creation of an in-house model suggests a strategic move to diversify its AI dependencies and potentially reduce reliance on external partners. This aligns with Microsoft's acknowledgement of OpenAI as a competitor in its annual report, a sentiment echoed by OpenAI's expansion of cloud provider relationships beyond Microsoft to include entities like CoreWeave, Google, and Oracle. In parallel to the MAI 1 Preview announcement, Microsoft also unveiled MAI Voice 1, a new natural speech generation model designed to enhance user interaction. This model is being rolled out across Copilot Daily, podcasts, and as a Copilot Labs experience, aiming to deliver high-fidelity, expressive audio for both single and multi-speaker scenarios, positioning voice as a key interface for future AI companions. This release comes on the same day OpenAI unveiled its own advanced speech-to-speech model and made its real-time API generally available, signaling a competitive and rapidly evolving landscape in AI-driven voice technology. This move towards in-house AI development has sparked considerable discussion among industry analysts and users alike, with many seeing it as a strategic play to enhance control over AI development and tailor solutions more precisely to Microsoft's ecosystem. But what does this mean for the broader AI landscape and Microsoft's competitive edge? Get ready, because we're about to explore a significant shift happening within Windows 11 itself. Windows 11 streamlines connectivity. Mobile plans apt to be retired. This change aims to simplify how users connect PCs to cellular data. Microsoft has announced the upcoming retirement of the Mobile Plans app within Windows 11, with the app set to be removed in February 2026. The company explained in a post on its tech community blogs that this decision is part of an effort to simplify the process of connecting a PC to mobile data. Moving forward, users will no longer need to use the dedicated Mobile Plans app to purchase or manage cellular plans. Instead, these functions will be integrated directly into the web browser and the Settings app. This shift is designed to create a more seamless and integrated experience, eliminating the need for extra app installations and providing a direct link between Windows and the user's mobile operator's website for plan management. The Mobile Plans app is currently included in Windows 11 for PCs equipped with integrated cellular data capabilities, either through a physical SIM card or an eSIM. Its primary function has been to help users discover mobile operators offering pay-as-you-go cellular data plans. However, the app's utility has diminished as cellular data plans can now be more easily purchased and activated directly via the web. Windows 11 already supports activating cellular data connections through web links, QR codes, or manual input. Consequently, while the app itself is being retired, the underlying functionality for cellular-equipped PCs will remain accessible. The only alteration is in the method of finding and activating a plan. Existing eSIM profiles on a user's PC will continue to function, though the management of the associated cellular plan will need to be handled directly on the carrier's website. Users currently relying on the Mobile Plans app will receive a notification regarding the end of support date sometime between now and February 27, 2026. After this date, the app will be officially retired, removed from the Microsoft Store, and users will have the option to uninstall it from their systems. Windows 11 will cease to link to the application, and its online documentation will be updated to reflect these changes. Many cellular carriers already provide streamlined methods for adding eSIMs to mobile devices, and they are actively adapting their systems to support web-based activations for Windows 11. Some carriers have been involved in trials since June to assist Microsoft in ensuring a smooth transition for this new approach. Microsoft views the retirement of the Mobile Plans app as a progressive step towards a more simplified, web-centric, and efficient future for Windows connectivity. For end users, this translates to one less application to manage and a more direct pathway to getting their devices online. For mobile operators, it offers them greater direct control over the customer purchase and activation experience. The company anticipates that this web-centric solution will ultimately provide a more consistent and user-friendly connectivity experience for all. This strategic move is expected to improve user experience by consolidating connectivity management. While connectivity is getting a refresh, a different kind of internal change is also making headlines. We're now turning our attention to significant personnel news emerging from the company. Microsoft parts ways with 4 employees following on-campus protest. The dismissals follow escalating demonstrations related to a company contract. Microsoft has reportedly terminated the employment of 4 individuals following their involvement in an on-campus protest. The demonstrations, which have been ongoing and have seen increasing intensity, are centered around Microsoft's contract with the Israeli military. The situation reportedly escalated recently with the arrest of 25 individuals over an 8-day period. In a particularly notable incident, 7 demonstrators are said to have barricaded themselves within the office of Microsoft President Brad Smith, highlighting the growing civil disobedience on the company's premises. While details regarding the specific roles or departments of the terminated employees have not been widely publicized, the action taken by Microsoft underscores the company's stance on internal conduct and protest activities within its facilities. Protests related to the company's business dealings, particularly those involving governmental or military contracts, have become a recurring theme in the technology sector. Employees and activists alike are increasingly vocal about the ethical implications of the technologies developed and deployed by major tech firms. The specific contract that has become the focal point for these protests involves technology supplied to the Israeli military, raising concerns among some employees about the company's role in geopolitical conflicts. The company has previously addressed employee activism, often emphasizing its commitment to freedom of expression, while also reinforcing policies regarding workplace conduct and the disruption of business operations. The firings come at a time when many large corporations are navigating complex employee relations, balancing demands for social and political engagement with the need to maintain operational stability and adhere to contractual obligations. The situation at Microsoft is likely to be closely watched by other technology companies facing similar pressures from their workforce regarding corporate social responsibility and the ethical deployment of technology. The broader context involves ongoing debates about the responsibility of technology companies in global affairs and the extent to which employees should have a say in their company's contractual agreements, especially when those agreements involve sensitive geopolitical issues. The company has not released a detailed statement specifically addressing the firings beyond confirming personnel actions, but the timing and context strongly suggest a direct link to the recent protest activities. This development highlights the tension between employee activism and corporate policy. These internal matters are significant, but a critical update affecting millions of users is also demanding attention. Let's shift focus now to an important, time-sensitive update for Windows users. Windows 10 users get extended security. Microsoft confirms free update offer. Millions of Windows 10 users facing end-of-life will receive a free security extension. Microsoft has confirmed that it is offering a free 12-month extension for security updates to Windows 10 users as the operating system approaches its official end-of-life date. This move comes as hundreds of millions of PC owners are set to lose critical security protections when Windows 10 support officially concludes. The Extended Security Updates (ESU) program is designed as a stopgap measure, providing users with additional time to transition to Windows 11. However, the rollout of this ESU program has been described as chaotic by some industry observers, leading to frustration among users who are eager to secure their systems. Windows 10 is scheduled to reach its end of support on October 14th. The newly confirmed ESU program will offer a year of continued security patches, but it is explicitly intended to encourage users to migrate to Windows 11. The enrollment for this free ESU is being managed through a dedicated Enroll button within the Windows 10 Update panel. Microsoft has stated that the ESU program is being deployed in phases and is expected to be available to all eligible users by the October 14th deadline. Users who have not yet seen the Enroll button on their Update panel are advised to wait, as it will appear automatically on updated Windows installations. There is currently no known method to manually trigger its appearance. The company anticipates that the next major Windows 10 update, expected around September 9th, will include the necessary components for the ESU rollout, ensuring all users have access before the final deadline. This will give users approximately 1 month to enroll, with many expected to opt for the free extension tied to their Microsoft account or OneDrive. The phased rollout means that availability may vary, and users are encouraged to check their update settings regularly. Meanwhile, Microsoft is reportedly increasing its efforts to encourage migration to Windows 11 through persistent in-system prompts. The company's strategy appears to be focused on driving adoption of its latest operating system, as indicated by the narrowing usage gap between Windows 10 and Windows 11, with Windows 11 having gained significant ground by the end of July. The ESU is a critical lifeline for users who may not be able or willing to upgrade to Windows 11 immediately, ensuring their systems remain protected against emerging threats for an additional year. This initiative aims to mitigate security risks for users unable to upgrade immediately. And that wraps up our deep dives for today. We've covered AI advancements, OS changes, internal company news, and crucial user updates. Stay tuned for our rapid-fire recap. Microsoft is pushing the boundaries with its first in-house AI model now in public testing. Windows 11 is simplifying connectivity by retiring the Mobile Plans app. 4 employees have been dismissed following an on-campus protest. And importantly, Windows 10 users can get a free security update extension as the OS nears its end of life. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all your tech updates, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for more.